Hi, it's Red Songbird with part 2 of Galileo and Robin Birdsong. Galileo also first developed the concept of inertia, the idea that an object remains at rest or in motion until acted on by another force, which became the basis for one of Isaac Newton's laws of motion. Steve Crowder of CRTV was Sir Isaac Newton. My mother, Robin Galileo's grandmother, used to say, it's a battle between inertia, getting yourself to move. Because we have been in the ocean of light where all you do is groove. All you do is feel bliss, So new energy. Okay, this is Newton decoded. New energy, breaths, ordered, nature's secret. At you, her energy source. See energy. Her conscious extraterrestrial. Yes, I'm a conscious extraterrestrial. Nicholas Copernicus was a Polish astronomer. Joel Osteen Moses, I said that. Oliver Cromwell was Greg Gutfeld. So while Galileo didn't invent the telescope, the enhancements, talk and share, Galileo made to the original Dutch versions of the instrument enabled him to make new empirical discoveries. While early telescopes magnified objects by 3 times, Galileo learned to grind lenses, an advancement that eventually created a telescope with a magnifying factor of 30 times. With his unprecedentedly powerful telescope, Galileo was the first to observe the universe. He was the first to observe the uneven, cratered surface of the moon. Jupiter's 4 largest satellites, dubbed the Galilean moons. Dark spots, these are things he discovered. Dark spots on the surface of the sun, known as sunspots. And the phases of Venus. How was Venus? Venus decoded. There's Venus. Decoded says victory, energy, us, U.S. Victory, energy, U.S. See? That's why we win. It's in writing that we win. The son of the sun, Govinda Singh Ji. So the telescope also, this is Galileo's powerful telescope, also revealed that the universe contained many new stars not visible to the naked eye. Govinda Singh Ji is a new star. The king, Govinda, and Queen Mild Red of universe are introducing them the Holy Royal Family members. These are the new stars and the king and queen, son and daughter of the sun. They read energy and can see them with their naked eye. They can see the stars with their naked eyes. I, energy, I enter. Energy enters their eyes. Sawan Singh Ji said he's been at all levels of consciousness, and there are very few advanced souls. Hell is, and the advanced souls are the Holy Royal family members. Hell is being surrounded by idiots and having no escape. Dr. Mike Murdoch says that, head of the Wisdom Center in Denton, Texas. I thought I had his picture here somewhere. I don't know what I did with it. Where's Dr. Murdoch's picture? Dr. Murdoch, where are you? Oh, okay. I don't know what I did with it. Oh, well. You'll see it on another occasion. Okay, so that's it. All right. Say goodbye to Robin Birdsong and Earl Percy, Indiana Jones. Ciao.